Kimberly with Colorado Mile High Cleaning, your green cleaning services for offices, for homes, post-construction. I just wanted to give a quick tip on why your sink smells. A lot of us are throwing stuff down there, even lemons that are natural, throwing scented stuff down our sink. But the bottom of the question is why does it smell? Well, I'm going to give you a great tip today that will help eliminate that smell so you're not throwing all that stuff down there. I recommend gloves though, because it gets pretty gross. And always make sure that the garbage disposal is turned off because we don't want any accidents. Your hand, I don't know if you can see it. You're going to take your hand, and what we don't realize is that a lot of this stuff, when you turn the garbage disposal on and it spins and you have the food down there, all the food goes up when it's coming and splattering up. Mine probably won't be that dirty. I try to clean it at least once a week, sometimes more. But here's what you'll do. You take your glove, have your gloves on, whether it's the other gloves, and you're just gonna feel, which mine is dirty because I need to clean it, you're just gonna take your fingers and you're just gonna kind of scoop, and you're gonna see. Now that is what's causing the smell. It's from all of the grime and the dirt and just the garbage that is being thrown up underneath this little black rubber thing, and that is what's causing your smell. So what I highly recommend is to obviously get a sponge that you don't want to use anymore, or you can deep clean it. I always throw a little bit of soap. So I'm going to get my old sponge. It's an old sponge that I've had. And there's some soap on it. Get it wet. And I highly recommend just taking this, going up, and flipping this black thing, the rubber sealer, up and cleaning underneath it. And that is going to help eliminate the smell that is causing it. And as you can see, that's pretty gross. Even after a week of not cleaning it, that is what is smelling. It is the bacteria that is growing from that food and the moisture and the darkness. So that is just a quick tip of how to clean your sink and get rid of that nasty smell. For more questions and information, please visit www.coloradomilehighcleaning.com and give us a call, 970-541-1076. Have a great day.